Uniswap value equivalent to $4.4410 a coin. The present reach, $4.3410. $4.4810. The earlier day close, $4.3640. The change was plus 0.0770. Plus 1.76%. Opposite rates, United States dollars to UNA. Uniswap value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2027. Uniswap cost forecast for September 2023. To start with, cost at $4.37. Greatest cost $4.96. Least cost $4.03. The normal for the month $4.47. Uniswap cost conjecture toward the month's end $4.52. Change for September 3.4%. Unit to United States dollars expectations for October 2023. Before all else cost at $4.52. Most extreme cost $5.01. Least cost $3.68. The normal for the month $4.47. Uniswap cost figure toward the month's end $4.68. Change for October 3.5%. Uniswap cost expectation for November 2023. Initially cost at $4.68. Most extreme cost $4.68. Least cost $3.65. The normal for the month $4.24. Uniswap cost gauge toward the month's end $3.93. Change for November 16.0%. Unit to United States dollars expectations for December 2023. To start with, cost at $3.93. Greatest cost $4.88. Least cost $3.93. The normal for the month $4.33. Uniswap cost gauge toward the month's end $4.56. Change for December 16.0%. Uniswap cost expectation for January 2024. First and foremost, cost at $4.56. Greatest cost $5.13. Least cost $4.45. The normal for the month $4.73. Uniswap cost estimate toward the month's end $4.79. Change for January 5.0%. Unit to United States dollars expectations for February 2024. To start with, cost at $4.79. Greatest cost $4.79. Least cost $4.10. The normal for the month $4.52. Uniswap cost conjecture toward the month's end $4.41. Change for February 7.9%. Uniswap cost expectation for WAC 2024. At the outset, cost at $4.41. Most extreme cost $4.41. Least cost $3.69. The normal for the month $4.12. Uniswap cost figure toward the month's end $3.97. Change for spring 10.0%. Unit to United States dollars expectations for April 2024. Before all else cost at $3.97. Most extreme cost $3.97. Least cost $3.44. The normal for the month $3.77. Uniswap cost gauge toward the month's end $3.70. Change for April 6.8%. Uniswap cost expectation for May 2024. First and foremost, cost at $3.70. Greatest cost $3.92. Least cost $3.40. The normal for the month $3.67. Uniswap cost conjecture toward the month's end $3.66. Change for May 1.1%. Unit to United States dollars expectations for June 2024. At the outset, cost at $3.66. Most extreme cost $4.55. Least cost $3.66. The normal for the month $4.03. Uniswap cost figure toward the month's end $4.25. Change for June 16.1%. Uniswap cost expectation for July 2024. Initially cost at $4.25. Most extreme cost $4.25. Least cost $3.49. The normal for the month $3.94. Uniswap cost gauge toward the month's end $3.75. Change for July 11.8%. Unit to United States dollars expectations for August 2024. In the first place, cost at $3.75. Greatest cost $3.75. least cost $2.93. The normal for the month $3.40. Uniswap cost estimate toward the month's end $3.15. Change for August 16.0%. Uniswap cost expectation for September 2024. First and foremost cost at $3.15. Greatest cost $3.63. Least cost $3.15. The normal for the month $3.33. Uniswap cost conjecture toward the month's end $3.39. Change for September 7.6%. Unit to United States dollars expectations for October 2025. Before all else cost at $1.38. Most extreme cost $1.38. Least cost $1.08. The normal for the month $1.25. Uniswap cost gauge toward the month's end $1.16. Change for October 15.9%. Uniswap cost expectation for November 2025. Initially cost at $1.16. Most extreme cost $1.44. Least cost $1.16. The normal for the month $1.28. Uniswap cost gauge toward the month's end $1.35. Change for November 16.4%. Unit to United States dollars expectations for December 2025. To start with cost at $1.35. Greatest cost $1.63. Least cost $1.35. The normal for the month $1.46. Uniswap cost conjecture toward the month's end $1.52. Change for December 12.6%. Uniswap cost expectation for January 2026. First and foremost cost at $1.52. Greatest cost $1.52. Least cost $1.19. The normal for the month $1.38. Uniswap cost figure toward the month's end $1.28. Change for January 15.8%. Unit to United States dollars expectations for February 2026. Before all else cost at $1.28. Most extreme cost $1.28. Least cost $1. The normal for the month $1.16. Uniswap cost figure toward the month's end $1.08. Change for February 15.6%. Uniswap cost expectation for WAC 2026. Initially cost at $1.08. Most extreme cost $1.34. Least cost $1.08. The normal for the month $1.19. Uniswap cost estimate toward the month's end $1.25. Change for spring 15.7%. Unit to United States dollars expectations for April 2026. First and foremost cost at $1.25. Greatest cost $1.55. Least cost $1.25. The normal for the month $1.38. Uniswap cost conjecture toward the month's end $1.45. Change for April 16.0%. Uniswap cost expectation for May 2026. Before all else cost at $1.45. Most extreme cost $1.80. Least cost $1.45. The normal for the month $1.60. Uniswap cost gauge toward the month's end $1.68. Change for May 15.9%. Unit to United States dollars expectation.